Okay children, this is the first video in which we will learn how to create a folder. See, for creating, this is the desktop screen, you can see, okay, this is the screen, this is the desktop, okay. So now you will take your pointer to a blank space on the desktop and you will click the right click. You will right click your mouse and this way a menu will appear. In this you can see this new option. When you will go to this new option, you can see a option is appearing, that is folder. So you will click on this folder option and here you can see new folder, okay. And why this line is shown as blue? So that you can rename it. I will rename it as Puja. Right now it is written new folder and I will name it as Puja, okay. So now our new folder is ready. After this you will press the enter and our folder is ready, that is Puja. So these were the steps for creating a new folder. Now if you are creating a new file, suppose we are creating a new file by going in any application like MS Word, we will double click on it, we will create a file and in which we write anything and then we are saving this file. When we will save this file, it will ask for the address. So we will provide desktop and in desktop I will search for the folder Puja. Here it is and here I will give the name PP1 suppose, okay. So and then I will press the save button. So our file is created, you can see the name here PP1 and now we will close this file because we have to see whether this file is available in our folder or not. Now when you will open, you will see that this file is available. Can you see this? The date is there, the date on which it is created, time is there and type is there as well as size is there. So this way you can create file, you can save it and they will appear in the folder. Next step is you are opening the file. Just click on the folder, double click it. This will open the folder and here you can double click the file. So this will open the file and you can work on this. Okay, what have you done? You have clicked on the folder and then you have clicked on the file. Now the next topic is renaming a folder. You can rename a file or a folder by following easy steps. You will go on the folder, you will right click on it. On right clicking there will be a menu in front of you. Here you can see the option of rename. Can you see rename is there? You will click on this option. Now here again blue line is appearing and you will rename it as, suppose I am renaming it as Bajpai, BAJPAI, okay. So I have not deleted the text which was present there, that is Puja. When you will start writing, it will automatically overwrite. So now I have renamed my folder as Bajpai, okay. Same way what you can do, you can rename the file also. You will go on the file, single click on it and then right click, and when you will right click on it, you will again see a option of rename. Rename is there and here you can give, suppose I am giving it a name Pooja. So I am renaming the file now, and then I can click anywhere and the file will be renamed as Pooja. So the steps are more or less the same for renaming file and folder. That is, you will go to the file or folder, right click on it and click on the rename and then give the name.